AI can write, design, and even compose music, but can it truly replace human creativity? Let's compare with real examples. AI-generated ads are fast and polished, but think about Nike's Just Do It campaigns, built on real human struggle, emotion, and stories. AI can remix data, but it doesn't feel pain, ambition, or victory. AI art can look impressive, but it's trained on existing styles. Meanwhile, artists like Van Gogh or contemporary creators broke rules and created new styles. Creativity isn't copying, it's rebellion. AI can write a LinkedIn post, but a founder sharing a failure, a lesson, or a personal journey, that authenticity builds trust, and AI can't fake lived experience. So here's the truth. AI is a powerful tool, but humans bring meaning. The future isn't human versus AI. It's human creativity powered by AI.